Alternative structures like agile organization, matrix model, and holacracy prioritize flexibility, collaboration, and innovation over traditional hierarchies. Agile teams adapt quickly to change. Matrix models enhance cross-functional work, and holacracy fosters skill-based roles and autonomy. Digital tools like Slack and Trello further supports these structures, improving communication and making organizations more adaptive and responsive. Traditional enterprise structures follows a hierarchical model where authority flows from the CEO to managers and then employees, creating a clear chain of command. This structure is highly effective in defining roles and responsibilities, ensuring accountability, and streamlining decision-making processes. However, its rigid nature can be a drawback, as often result in low responses to change and limited opportunities for employees' input. While suitable for stable environments with predictive workflows, this model may struggle in industries requiring innovation and adaptability. A metric model blends functional and project-based structures, enabling employees to report to multiple managers, such as project leaders and department heads. This structure fosters efficient resource allocation by leveraging specialized expertise across departments, enhancing adaptability and innovation for project delivery. However, the dual reporting lens can lead to management complexity and potential conflicts due to competing priorities between functional and project managers. Despite these challenges, matrix organizations are highly effective in dynamic environment requiring cross-functional and resource optimization. Next, holacracy is an organization management system that eliminates traditional hierarchical structure and managerial roles, replacing them with a flexible, self-organizing framework where roles are defined by skills and responsibilities rather than titles. This approach empowers employees by fostering autonomy and creativity, enabling individuals to contribute based on their expertise. However, the lack of conventional hierarchy can lead to confusion over roles and responsibilities, making coordination challenging. Additionally, implementing holacracy requires significant effort and adoption, as it demands a cultural shift and clear communication to ensure alignment across the organization. Agile organizations prioritize adaptability and the ability to respond quickly to changing circumstances by allowing teams to self-organize around the specific projects and goals. This approach fosters innovation and ensures the organization remains responsive to external and internal shifts. However, the flexibility of agile structure relies heavily on strong communication to maintain alignment, and without effective coordination, it can lead to confusion and chaos, especially in complex or large-scale projects.